What I'm going to talk about today is breakouts, and momentum trades. What's going on, guys? I am in Pensacola trying to cross 3 Mile Bridge. It's my third week with a broken foot, and I'm in dead stop traffic trying to drive this broken foot, and it's been awful trying to drive around with the manual with literally 1 foot. And there goes ambulance or something. And as you can see, every time I go to take off, I literally have to use 1 foot until the clutch grabs and then switch really quick. So it's super difficult to shift or anything. I'm in traffic right now, so I'm just kind of coasting and then going back in neutral. But getting up to speed is pretty difficult. As you can see there, I still have my boot on. I have to stick it off to the side so it's not in the way, so I can still use this foot for all 3 pedals. It's not the easiest thing in the world. All this traffic. I don't know if there's an accident or what's going on. What I'm going to talk about today is breakouts and momentum trades. Something I've seen a lot lately that's working really well. I've seen other traders use it. Also, gap strategies. So I'm going to save the gap strategies for another video, and so it's all by itself. But for this video, I'm going to be specifically talking about breakouts and momentum trades with options. So once I get home, I'm going to jump onto my laptop and show you guys what I'm talking about. But for now, I'm stuck in traffic. Alright, what's going on, guys? I want to talk about first swing trades slash momentum trades. So basically what I'm showing you now is a trade that I entered today on Best Buy, which is ticker symbol BBY. I'm going to narrow it down to 3 months so we can make the graph a little bit bigger. Drag it over here. Okay, you can see here we had earnings. Had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 day sell-off after earnings. At this kind of support level right here, pulled back down into the 13 moving average, 13 period moving average. What I'm looking here for is a pop up in volume. I'm looking for a tick up on RSI and stochastics. As you can see better here on my other graph. Stochastics started to cross over Monday and headed up today, Tuesday, and we're closed up about 259. You can still enter this trade in tomorrow, but you would want to wait till it broke above this level up here, kind of a resistance area. So we will go back to our big graph. This makes for a great swing trade because after a sell-off like this, especially after earnings, and it pulls back into support area and into your moving averages, you have a lot of room as far as safety goes. The stock most likely isn't just gonna, the bottom isn't just gonna fall out. The bottom isn't just gonna fall out of it and take a dump. Now, if you had a big red candle to the downside instead of these smaller red candles like in spinning tops right here, be a different story. We have these small red candles and a 4 to 5 day pullback into a moving average and support, looking for an opportunity to buy. So I went ahead and entered it into this trade. The only downside with this trade here is I believe Best Buy is at all-time high. As you can see, I'm at 1 year. It's way up there. I mean, out 3 years. So I believe it's a all-time high for Best Buy. So my price target has to be the top of this candle. So $118.42 is our target, or another $5 move, which is pretty good. That's about 5 to 6% move in the stock. That's our target. Now this stock retreats tomorrow. We may have to get out, but we're looking for a break above the top of these candles here, and then if it breaks above the top of these candles here, it's another good day to enter the trade, add it to the position, or to hold the trade until the next few days and try to reach this 118 level or get as close as we can to it. It's easy, simple trade. It's a pretty safe trade. It's great for beginners if you want to buy 1 or 2 options on it. Just keep an eye on your volume, keep an eye on your stochastics, and keep an eye on your RSI. And here, with your RSI and your stochastics, you have a lot of room to go. So I'll be keeping you updated this week on this trade, so you see how it pans out. But I'm going to jump over to another type of trade that I've been seeing recently that's really worked out for myself and other people that I know that are trading, is breakouts. I'm going to use example today is PYPL, which is PayPal. What we're looking for is not necessarily a double top. A double top would work, but for in this case, it's not necessarily a double top. But you have a high here, pull back, and then a run up, and testing that previous high. It actually broke that high a little bit a couple days ago, and then pulled back. But we're looking for a break and close above that high. You could have gotten to this trade, middle of the day today, or if you were feeling like you could take on some more risk, you could have entered this trade just, as it broke above 207. This is a great trade. This is a great swing trade to enter. This stock can continue to go up several dollars over the next couple of days, especially you see this rise in volume. And we're coming up off of these moving averages. We broke above these highs that we tested twice. We don't really have a price target for PayPal, as it is also, just like Best Buy, at an all-time high, and there are no candles above it. So this one you're just going to have to feel out. So it's best to enter the trade, enter this trade into like a small trade. I like to buy like 5 calls on these trades and let them ride, and then the minute I get a red day, I'll wait and see if you're going to get 2 red days in a row. If you close down, if you start to enter 2 red days, I would get out on that second red day, because what happens is, a lot of times you'll get a red day, then you'll get out, and then it'll continue to go higher, and you'll miss out on a lot of money. So you just have to really watch your volume and keep an eye on your candles. Watch the news. Also, make sure nothing negative is coming out against the stock, and you could swing trade this for next couple of days and use this breakout as momentum. So what's going to happen tomorrow is people are going to see this. People that didn't catch this today are going to see it tomorrow and push it even higher, and then some people may not see it till the 3rd day and push even higher. So this stock could go up 2 or 3 days in a row after a breakout, and I've been seeing this quite a bit lately. But that's just some easy, simple swing and breakout trades for beginners. Hope you liked the video. Thank you guys for subscribing. See you next time.